how to make money on Upwork as a video script writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer. I'm a freelancer looking for work. Apply as a freelancer. Then fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. After that, click on create my account. For me, I'm just going to log in. I've already created my account, so just wait for me in the profile creation while I'm logging in, and it's verifying now. So here, this is where you're going to create your profile, and this is the last step of creating your profile. So let's go back to the first steps. And this is the first steps, so let's get started. And here you answer these questions. First, have you freelanced before? Choose the answer that fits you most, or the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next. Same thing with this other question. Choose the right answer for your situation. And for these boxes, make sure to check them all, even this third one. And then click on next to create a profile. So here you have three options to create your profile. You can either import your profile information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume from your desktop if you have it in a PDF file, or if you wanted to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So let's fill it out manually, start a new profile, and here let's enter our skill, a video scripter. Then click on next to add your experience, and here add your previous work experience. Same thing with your education, add your education history in here. And then you have the languages. So English is a must in this platform, guys. So here I'm going to choose my level in it, which is conversational, and you can add more languages if you can speak them. For me, I'm going to add 2 more languages: Arabic, which is my native language, and French, which I studied in school, and my level in it is basic. Then click on next to add your skills, and here you can enter skills in this field. So I'm going to go with a script writer. Script writing, video script, promotional video script. Let's see if we can find something else about script revision, script language. So I think that's all for the script. I'm going to add script as well. And here you can add maximum 15 skills. So make sure to add all of your skills. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. This is an example of a bio, some small talk, and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and type, "I'm a video script writer, give me a bio for my Upwork profile," and then take that bio, copy and paste it in here. But first, make sure to read it carefully and see if there is any mistakes and correct them. And for me, I don't want to make the video too long for you guys. I'm going to take Marty's bio and copy it in here. Then click on next to choose your categories. So here my category is, or my service is content writing. They've already suggested that for me. Then click on next to set your rate. So here I'm going to go with $20 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here just make sure to fill all of these information and upload a photo. So guys, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind. And after you're done with creating your profile, this is how you're going to improve it. I'm going to show you how you can do that. I will just need to log out. You won't need to log out. Continue with email. And here let's type our password, login. And this is, it's not how we're going to improve our account. Let's log out first. Let's go to upwork.com, the main page. So here just go to the search box and type your skill. So guys, basically the idea is that we're going to see who's the highest earner in our category and see how he writes, what he writes in his bio. How is he talking to his clients, or how is he talking about his skills, how much he's getting paid per hour. So we're going to see and check all of that. So here let's search to find the highest earner. So here we have 30 grand, 10, 3, 20, 10, 6, 10, 1. Let's see if there is something in the second page. Here we have 6 grand, 4,000, 10,000, 50,000. So I think 50,000 is the highest earner in this category. Wait, I'm going to make sure. So yeah, he's the highest earner that we've found now. Let's check the third page as well to see if we're going to find someone making more money than 60 grand, 40, not enough, 4. So that's it. Sorry, he's in the second page here. So this is who I want you to focus on. Make sure to see how he talks about his skills and see if he is doing something different than you, and copy that to your profile. And if you want to find work, go to find work in here, find work for your skills. And here type your skill and see all the listed jobs that are looking for your skill. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.